Hey, I'm Anapati. Good morning. Keshav, nice to see you guys here. Hi, Mary. Thanks for your message. Happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone. Hey, Augustin. Nice to have you here. Hi, Sanjay. Good morning. Thanks for joining in bright and early. If you guys are ready, just type in ready, and I'm going to go ahead and start playing a video. Hopefully, you're able to see it, see the screen, hear everything. And in case there's anything that you've missed from day one, this should be a good recap for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Business Engine. Today's journey will be brief but exhilarating as we take you on a quick tour of how Business Engine can elevate your business to new heights. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a smooth and exciting ride. Imagine this: you're in complete control of your business. Picture scaling effortlessly, serving delighted customers, and saving both time and money, all at once. So, are you ready for takeoff? Let's jump right in. This is for entrepreneurs who are ready to soar to new horizons. Now, envision having your own custom business management system that gives you total command. Manage your customers like a boss. Keep track of interactions and build lasting relationships with ease. Oversee your finances with precision, monitor cash flow, and make informed decisions effortlessly. Track your projects seamlessly. Stay on top of deadlines and deliverables. Customize your business engine. Tailor the system to fit your unique needs and preferences. Monitor your daily sales effortlessly. Stay updated with real-time insights. Simplify your accounting. Automate processes and keep your books in perfect order. Track and grow your business. Utilize powerful tools to drive growth and optimize performance. Utilize high-level dashboards. Make data-driven decisions with ease and confidence. What are you waiting for? The runway is clear, and your business transformation is just a click away. Buckle up and get ready to elevate your business with Business Engine. Thank you for choosing Business Engine. We look forward to taking this journey with you. Let's take off and reach new heights together.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gaurav Gurbaksani, and I'm going to be your co-pilot today. Really excited that you've made it over here. I'm going to do my best to keep this short and sweet and help you get 10 years ahead in your business by attending this masterclass. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and share my screens. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So what you're looking at right now is really the old and ineffective way of running a business in 2024. So if you're still dependent on spreadsheets, if you're using a ton of independent software, if you're doing manual follow-ups, if you feel that your communication with clients is scattered and all over the place, there may be some finance mismanagement, team confusion, slow content creation, overall delayed projects. You're still searching through email and basically never being fully ready. So if that sounds like you, I've got something that's going to change the way you are currently doing business. So my only goal for you here today is to make your life easier, is to make your life simpler, make it more efficient, make it more effective. So with that said, Business Engine, let's do this. So if you're an entrepreneur that feels you need systems and processes, you're currently stressed out with so many different things going on, I'm really happy to introduce you to Business Engine, where in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to get 10 years ahead in your business and overall become a happy guy. So with that said, let's jump in. Today I'm going to show you how to customize, prioritize, systemize, monetize, and optimize your business engine right away. So starting from your logo, your branding, your company settings, to making sure that you've got your projects, your finances, and your customers taken care of. It's super easy for you to send out proposals, invoices, and create workflows. At the end, it's about your products, your services, as well as any kind of e-commerce or digital products that you are selling. Finally, you want to optimize the business engine so that you have complete automation, integration, and you start running your business on autopilot. So with that said, I want to introduce you to the business journey map. You are the captain, I am the co-pilot. So I want you to go ahead and list down your name and get ready to start your business engine. My expectation is for you to have 100% success and take off with business engine starting right now. So for right now, sit back and relax. So we're going to start slow. Then we're going to switch gears. As of now, I'm your co-pilot, but I want you to become the pilot as soon as possible. I'll show you how you could get access to a full-blown trial, show you how to set up and configure your cockpit, show you how to import your data, add the custom fields that match your business, as well as make sure that you've given your team the right access so that everybody is on the same page. The final stage, the takeoff stage, is where you go ahead and configure your modules, go ahead and configure your automation, and congratulations, you are a business captain right now. You've got complete control of your ship. And the best part about reaching your destination, the best part about reaching your journey is that in the process, you're going to set up lifelong processes. You don't need to sweat the boring stuff, and you're definitely going to get ahead of the game by having all your systems and processes set up in one place. The end goal is to have happier customers, to have professional dashboards, run a professional business, and make money while keeping everything under control. So with that said, this is what the business engine looks like. This is how you could go ahead and manage your business. You drive traffic into your business engine. You nurture your visitors. You segment them between ready and not ready. Send out emails, conduct webinars, do one-on-one coaching, do offline events, whatever you need to. Make sure that you're getting consistent sales. Make sure that you've got a nice, consistent operating funnel and you're getting leads, brand new leads every single day. You want to be able to warm them up, you want to be able to upsell them, you want to be able to nurture them. But the bottom line is you're going to focus on the bottom line. You're going to focus on your profit, your revenue, as well as your expenses. So with that said, I'm going to show you the process of how you could get started, register, explore, start your trial, customize, populate, import, integrate, automate, and of course, go live. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and jump into none other than Google. And I want to give you a quick idea about what Business Engine really is, when it was started, and how we can continue to serve you better. So let's ask Wall Street Journal if they've heard of businessengine.com. And here you can see back in 2002, Business Engine was listed on Wall Street Journal. Prior to that, Business Engine was actually listed by Crunchbase as the founding date of 1985. So imagine this organization called Business Engine is almost 40 years old, and 40 years in the internet game is a very long time. So with that said, let's go ahead, jump onto Business Engine. We're going to go ahead and create a brand new account for you. I'm going to show you how to navigate the ins and the outs so that you never need to depend on spreadsheets, so that you've got projects that are being well managed, well taken care of, your customers are happy, your team members are happy, and overall you've got a fantastic view of your overall business engine. So I'm going to go ahead and register here right now. And since I've already used so many email accounts, I'm just going to go ahead and create a temporary email address so that I can show you the entire start to finish with a brand new email address. You of course can go ahead, use your professional email address in order to go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead. Here is my temporary email address that I'm going to go ahead and copy, and now I'm going to register with Business Engine and create a brand new account. So like I said, my name is Gaurav Gurbaksani. I'm going to be your co-pilot today, and we're going to go ahead and call this workspace as co-pilot. I'll put in my email address that I've just created in over here. I'll put in my password. Agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure that I've got my CAPTCHA selected. All that is good. I'm going to go ahead and click register over here. Now, as soon as you click register, you're going to receive an email in your inbox. Once you've received that email, you could go ahead and directly log in. So let's see if I've got my email. Here it has come. I'm going to go ahead and verify my email address right now. Let's pop that up. Click on the verify email address button, and then within a few seconds I should be good and be able to log into my account. So let me just go ahead and click on this link. And there we go. We've gone ahead and logged into the Business Engine dashboard. That's all you need to do. Put in your name, your email address, your password, and this is what you are going to be greeted at the very beginning. Now, the first thing that you need to look out for is your settings. This is where you can truly configure the Business Engine to be 100% yours. So you can go ahead, switch out the logos, switch out your company name, switch out the footer details. You could go ahead and customize your branding, customize your colors, choose your logo, and once you're done with this setup, you're going to be pretty much set. You're going to be able to configure the Business Engine to look and match your existing business look and feel. So here you could go ahead and put in your brand settings. You could go ahead and configure your time zone. You can go ahead and configure your company settings as well. Put in your tax registration numbers, put in your GST, put in your email account, put in your digits over here, and you could go ahead and save your company settings. So you put in your logos, put in your time zones, put in your company settings, put in your currency settings. Here you can see you're going to have some default proposals being created out for you. You could go ahead and enable a QR code if that's what you want to have on your proposals as well. There you can see that's gone live. Similarly, for your invoices, you could go ahead and enable invoices. You can customize your templates. You can customize your look and feel of your Business Engine. You could put in your purchase settings, and then finally configure this with your very own email. So if you do have a domain name, you could go ahead and use a custom domain name. You could use Gmail, Mailgun, and any other application that you're currently using for your email. Once you've gone ahead and configured your email settings, you could then switch the engine on and start getting notifications every time you have a new user, whether you're looking at sending out an invoice, payment reminders, so on and so forth. You could also put in your bank details over here, and once you save this, your settings are going to be customized, and that, my friends, is step number one So go ahead and configure the business engine to match your look and feel. The next thing that I want to share with you with the business engine, something that I've personally found extremely powerful, is the ability to manage projects with ease. So I'm going to show you how you could go ahead and create a brand new project. Let's call this project as Customize the Business Engine. Get set up and launch. So right now I'm the only user within my engine, so I'm going to go ahead and assign that to myself. If you do want to add your team members, you could simply go to users, add in a team member, put in their name, put in their email address, put in their role, whether they're a client or a team member, put in their mobile number, allow them to log in, set a password, create a user, and now you've got a brand new user within your business engine. What I'm going to go ahead and do next is now create a project. And once you understand how to create and manage projects efficiently, how to work with teams, how to have everything on a single dashboard, being it from your calendar to your task board to your budgets to your finances, to being able to send out invoices and proposals, to being able to collaborate with your team, you're going to find that extremely beneficial. So my favorite part is using the task board, where you could go ahead and start creating all the tasks that you need to get done. So the first thing is your settings. Make sure that you've got your company name, your logo, your branding all set up. This all takes less than a couple of minutes. You could go ahead, create a simple task, go ahead and do that for another task that you have. This could be your social media branding. Maybe you want to create a brand new branding kit, or maybe you need to go ahead and record your courses. You could put in your priority, you can assign it to your users. And this way you could go ahead and start entering your to-do list. Now once you've gone ahead and created a few, you could always switch out to your list view. You could always go back and create more items. You could check out your calendar. You could see what is currently due, what are the upcoming tasks, and then go ahead and create your first milestone. So let's say our first milestone is to launch Business Engine. That's currently incomplete, and the total cost right now I'm going to put in as $100. I'm going to say get started and add your first user as a milestone. So now I've created a milestone, I've created a few to-dos. I could go ahead and share this with a client. Once I've created, I'm going to go ahead and add in some more team members if required. I can go ahead and upload some files here as well in case it's relevant to the project. And that's how simple it is to really go ahead and start working with projects within the business engine. Now let's say you want to let's say if you already have a project that's been created. Imagine you're currently doing a hackathon, or you've got some projects that are going on. I'm going to show you something that's super duper awesome. You could simply come back to your proposals and go ahead and create a brand new, let me go ahead to my projects, and I'm going to go ahead and import my current projects simply by uploading a CSV file. So I'll go ahead, upload that, and I'm going to give you a copy of this for yourself. Here you can see that my project has been imported. I just need to label my fields, which I'm going to do really quickly. I'm going to put in my start date, the end date of my project, as well as my budget. Once I've configured this, I'm going to go ahead and import this, and you'll see in a matter of seconds you're going to be able to import all your existing projects within the business engine. Once you dive in deeper, and you start completing your tasks. Whether you've completed a task, you could go ahead and put it into progress. You could go ahead and review this. You could go ahead and hit done where you're done. Once you log into your dashboard, you're going to be able to see exactly how many projects you have on your plate, what are the total number of tasks that you need to do, whether there are any bugs, what are the total users that are currently working on your project, and as simple as that, you're going to become a project ninja. Now, the next thing that I want to show you in the Business Engine, this for sure is going to be a lot of fun, is when you are powered with artificial intelligence. So if you're ever worrying about creating content, whether it's Facebook ads or Google ads, you could always depend upon the Business Engine. Let's say, for example, we want to write an ad about Business Engine right now, and we say it's for business owners. So for business owners who want to have systems and processes in place and put their business on autopilot. So that's my brief description, and I'm going to go ahead and ask AI ChatGPT to go ahead and create some amazing content for me. If I like it, I'm just going to go ahead and save this. This way I'm going to have as much content as I want, whether it's for my emails, whether it's for my blogs, social media, videos, emails, any kind of content. You're going to have this at your fingertips. Now that you've gone ahead and created your project, you've got some AI experience, what you could go ahead and do next is go ahead and list down all the items that you plan to sell. So whether you are a freelancer, whether you're selling e-commerce stuff, whether you're doing freelance services, you could go ahead and start creating your products over here. You can put in your tags, you can create your categories, you can put in a description, you could put in your pricing, you could add in some media, and if you have physical products, you could go ahead and add that to your warehouse as well. Once you've created your items, once you've put in your pricing, then you're going to be able to create proposals in a jiffy. You could simply go ahead, create your proposals. You could put in whether it's a customer, whether it's an internal project, whether there's billing. You could choose your template, you could choose the start date, you can choose your project. You could put in your products and your items that you've created, your price, your discount, and then simply create a proposal, send a proposal, track a proposal, convert your proposal into an invoice in a matter of minutes. So this is something that, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to have access to for free for a lifetime. So welcome to Business Engine. This is the forever free plan. You're always going to be able to go ahead and reach us with our built-in help desk. So if you do need support, if you need any kind of questions, you could always ask your questions and expect a response from us as soon as possible. Once you put in a ticket, all you need to do is log back into your help desk and you'll see a response back for you as soon as possible. So just to kind of give you a recap, you could go ahead and check out your dashboard. This is your project dashboard where you could go ahead and add in users. This could be team members, this could be customers. Create your items and products, send out proposals and invoices, create purchase orders, manage your products, manage your projects, communicate within your team with a built-in messenger. So if you're looking at connecting with your team, you could always go ahead and send them a message. Use some AI tools for your content. If you ever need help, feel free to put in your help desk message, put in a ticket, and we will go ahead and get back to you as soon as possible. Remember, there are a few more settings that you can always tweak and tinker around with, but for right now, if I have your permission, I want to show you what a full-blown business engine really looks like. The best part is I'm currently going to offer you a 24-hour free trial. You don't need to put in your credit card. All you need to do is go ahead and start a free trial, and that's when you're truly going to see the power of the full-blown business engine. So what you need to do in order to set up your trial is click on set up your subscription, and here you're going to see that you're currently on the forever free plan, where you've got access to the AI document, you've got access to your project management, as well as access to a few project templates. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up for the economy plan, do a free trial, and what you're going to notice here on the left hand side on the menu is the business engine is going to get into turbo mode. And I literally mean turbo mode is where you could go ahead, create your customers, you could go ahead, import your vendors, you can create your accounts, your chart of accounts, your income, your expenses, your reports, your transactions, your income statement, your expense statement, your tax summary, your profit and loss. And don't let any of this scare you, my friends. This is just one aspect which is going to be populated automatically for you once you connect the business engine to your existing settings. Now, I definitely won't have time to go through all the bells and whistles of the business engine, but what I can tell you is that it's going to address every single function of your very business. Right from sending out proposals to invoices to purchases to accounting to bookkeeping. You're also going to be able to take care of your employees and freelancers, make sure that you're tracking their payroll, your attendance, managing leave, whether you've got company events, your company policies, as well as some amazing reports, just to make sure that you are totally in control of your business. The next thing that I'd like to highlight to you is a built-in CRM, that is your customer relationship management tool. Here, you're going to be able to check out all your new leads, your new deals, what are your reports, what are your close rates, and the best part about this is that it directly integrates with your Facebook ads, with your Google ads, wherever you are running traffic from. You're going to be able to get your customers to interact all within one place. If you are in the e-commerce space, fantastic. The business engine is integrated with WooCommerce. So you're going to be able to get all your details over here live from your website, making sure that your website and business engine are synchronized 100%. If you are a coach, a consultant, you will definitely love your LMS module, where you can create courses, you can create students, you can create coupons, you can give access to your customers all within one place. Now, as you jump in deeper to the engine, you're going to see that you've got business tools like your Innovation Center. You could go ahead and import your Google worksheets. You can create workflows. But I just want to jump in and show you a few more settings that are available to you, which will give you an idea just how powerful the business engine can really be for your business. So we looked at this stuff where you could go ahead and put in your brand settings, your system settings, company settings, currency settings, proposals, invoices, purchase accounts, bills, journal entries, HR settings, joining letters, certificate of experience, your NOC letters. You could go ahead and set up your LMS, choose a theme, create certificates, configure your school, enable your emails. But now look at this. If you want to go ahead and enable your email settings to be notified whenever there's an update, you could go ahead and do that. If you want to be notified on WhatsApp, every single thing about your business, whether there's a new payment, a new project, a new lead, you could simply go ahead, install that. You can connect your engine to talk.to. This way, you're going to get live chat enabled for all of your customers. I think the next and most important thing that you want to be aware of is the ability of really being able to connect to external applications like Zapier, to be able to create to external webhooks, to be able to connect with things like Pabbly, your payment gateways, your bank accounts. Once you are set up, you're integrated with your Google Drive, your Google Sheets, I think you are going to have your business under control. So keeping it basic, you could use this as a project management tool. As you move forward, you could go ahead and integrate your accounting. You could go ahead and integrate your HR. You could go ahead and integrate your CRM, your LMS, and any kind of dashboard that is relevant to your business. So with that said, I wish you the very best in being able to set up your business engine. I truly hope you see how critical this would be for your business. And by getting this set up once and for all, you're definitely going to be the captain of your business. I look forward to welcoming you to the business engine and making sure that you get completely set up. It's been a privilege to fly you today. Like I said, my name is Gaurav Gurbaksani, your co-pilot here at Business Engine. That's it. Wishing you the best and see you really, really soon. All right, folks. So that was a quick video from yesterday. I hope you guys got some value in it. Hope you were able to clearly understand everything that needs to be done within the business engine. If you've got any questions at any point, feel free to reach out. Else, you know what needs to be done this week. This is the second last week of August. Thank you, Rajiv. And plan is to be your co-pilot till you are 100% in control. We're going to be adding new modules every single week to make sure that you guys are well taken care of. Well, have yourselves a super duper awesome week. Today is Make Money Monday. So just letting you know that we have opened up our affiliate program as well. And we're happy to share 30% of our revenue with anybody who you refer to the business engine. Our goal is to get to 1,000 pilots by the end of this year. So every single member, every single customer is the next milestone. So thanks.
Gaurav.
Go ahead.
Yeah, hi Gigi. Good morning.
Hi, Kesha. Good morning.
Okay, I just wanted to check in one thing that everyone will have the unique affiliate link, right?
Right. Yeah, absolutely.
So that comes by default, or I
That
need
comes
to
by
register for the affiliate
No,
program?
it comes by default. All you have to do is just log into your business engine. Let me show you. So you just go into your settings. You go into your settings over here. And the third one is your referral program. And this will be your referral code. So if anyone clicks and signs up on this, it'll come into your transactions over here.
Okay, you got it.
Thank you, Hemant.
One
So,
more thing.
yeah, sure. Go ahead, Kesha.
Okay, I run some training programs.
Uh-huh.
So some of them are in the online mode that I
Right,
record it. So ideally, one session goes on for 3 hours.
right.
So is there any storage constraint that it's only on the LMS that you can upload videos only 10 GB, 50 GB, 100 GB, something of that kind, or it's unlimited?
So it is limited by space right now. So let me just show you the plans. So we have three plans right now. So one's a 10 GB, 50 GB, and 100 GB plan, depending on the space. though we are going to be integrating with some external storage providers as well. So that will, do you know how large your files are right now? Do you know how much?
Ideally, one of the file comes out to be somewhere around 3 to 5 GB, depends.
Okay. Okay, so then you're
3
thinking,
hours, no, ideally 3 hours comes out to be that much actually.
got it. So are you thinking like you'll need maybe about 100 GB of space?
Because ideally one of my sessions has how many hours of recording?
Uh-huh.
One of the programs has 300 hours of recording.
Wow. So then, yeah, that'll be about 150. Yeah. Got it. Got it. Cool, Keshav. Let me just get back to you on some options that are available for external hosting, and we'll get that to you tomorrow.
Okay, yes.
Hemant, let me just drop you a message as well on how you can download the entire Freelance Kickstarter program. If you could just message me on WhatsApp, I'll send that over to you. It's on Google Drive right now. Super, folks. Look forward to seeing you on Tracking Tuesday. Thanks so much for making it here. And
Well, is
looking forward.
the institute module up and running?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Have you been able to access it?
Yeah, I tried on 15th August. I could not access it.
All right, let me just check. Cool, I'll just send you a message. It should be activated. I'll just confirm with you, Mary. You should have access to that right now.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, everyone. See you back